Hey, just want to do a quick video here, guys. It's been a couple of days since I did a video about Bitcoin and the markets. Really, not much has changed. Bitcoin is still hovering in that range, 38, mid 38s to around, mid 39s. Really, not much is happening. Um, you know, that's why, like I basically said in my last video, there's really not much to talk about right now with cryptocurrency. The YouTubers hate bear markets. They don't make any money in the bear markets. Their YouTube revenue goes down by like 90%. It's kind of funny because Bitcoin and all the cryptos drop by 90%, but all the YouTubers and influencers, their income also drops by 90%. And that's why you kind of see them trying to pump the market, saying, "Hey, look, the bull market could start at any moment," and they try to kind of pump, that something bullish will happen. We could pump at any moment. That's all strictly for their views. That has nothing to do with the market. Bitcoin is really simple, guys, and cryptocurrency is really simple. 4-year cycles. We've already gone through a bull market, and we've been in a bear market for about 6 to 8 months. Most coins now have already dropped between 60 to 90%. Once coins drop below 50%, it's kind of good to start buying in preparation for the next bull market. I know people don't want to hear this, but the next bull market is probably not going to really take effect until end of next year. 2024, 2023, in that range is when you're going to kind of start to see things start to go up again. And I don't mean these pumps where Bitcoin pumps to $45,000, $50,000, everybody gets bullish, and then it dumps right back down to $30,000. That's just for traders. That's people trading the market. But for you guys looking to make life changing wealth in cryptocurrency, the time to do that is buying in the bear market. And right now we're in a bear market and it's boring. So there's really not much to talk about. You kind of honestly, you want to be in Bitcoin. I don't have a lot of Bitcoin, but that's kind of where you want to be. What you're going to see happen is the Bitcoin dominance shoot up. Right now, we're not in that miserable time yet. When we see a really big dump in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, like when all these altcoins drop another 30 to 50%, everybody's going to be putting their money back into Bitcoin, and you're going to see Bitcoin dominance shoot up. And these altcoins are going to drain real bad. I mean, it's going to be really depressing. And that's the time you really want to be buying these altcoins. It's good to cost average right now because nothing's 100%. You always want to have skin in the game. But once we see that really big dump, like a flash crash or something like that, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance shoot up, and nobody's going to be in these altcoins anymore. Like I always said, folks, a lot of these altcoins are going to drop 90%. Cardano is going to go down to 20 cents. It went down. It went down to 2 cents last bear market. $1.40 down to 2 cents. So for this bear market, I kind of see it was at $3. I kind of see around 25 cents is where it's going to bottom out. It'll probably happen in a flash crash or something like that. Doesn't have to happen. That's why it's good to have skin in the game right now. But every bear market for the last 12 years, that's pretty much what happens. So, like I said, cryptocurrency isn't all that difficult. But when you watch these YouTubers every day, they have to come up with content. So when you have to come up with content, what content sells? Not me talking about how we're in a bear market and things are going to dump. The content is sells is pumping the market, bull market around the corner, what coins to buy. That's what kind of sells. So it's going to be a long year. Just buy the dips, folks. We've been in a range now for a long time, but you're kind of seeing these altcoins slowly drain, which is kind of what happened in 2018, 2019. It's all repeating again. And even myself, I'm completely comfortable with this bear market. I know what's going to happen. It's still depressing because I still have a bunch of money in crypto. I cashed out about 60%, but the 40% I do have in crypto right now, if it goes down another 40 or 50%, I'm going to be depressed just because it's just depressing to see that happen to your net worth. But in the back of my mind, I know that's the time to buy. That's the time to stock up because in 2024, I'm going to freaking kill it. And anybody who buys right now in the bear market's going to kill it. Don't listen to the other YouTubers right now telling you bull market right around the corner, blah, blah, blah. We might pump. We get pumps. We're going to get pumps. You get pumps in the bear market. In 2018, 2019, I was in Bitcoin. It went from 8,000 to 12,000, and then it would go right back down to 8,000. Then it would pump up to 13,000, then back down to 4,000. That's all fair game, but we're not going to see all-time highs, in my opinion, until we see Bitcoin in the $20,000 range. We have to get that flush out. So anyway, that's what I see for right now. Not much has changed in the market. It's kind of boring. Just buy those dips and don't listen to any YouTuber who has any sponsorships, who has showed any coin over the last couple of years. They're going to steer you in the wrong direction. Do your own research and just you should be buying now in preparation for the bull market in 2024. And if you do that, you're going to be A-okay. There's really not much going on right now. The war is the same in Ukraine. If we get something bad like Putin uses tactical nukes or that escalates, we're going to see that dump of Bitcoin into the $20,000 range. And that's good for Bitcoin because it's a great time to buy. But, it's going to be kind of a depressing time. I'm fully prepared for 2022 to be completely depressing and just miserable. That's why I'm not even paying attention to crypto as much. I'm doing a lot of running, working out, spending time with my kids. It's not worth following this thing 24/7. I know what's going to happen. If I have alerts on my phone, if Bitcoin drops into the upper $20,000 range, that means all these altcoins have dropped like 40%. I'm going all in at that point. But right now I'm only half in, just waiting for a big dump. And if we don't get that big dump and we go up magically from here, we get some good news and we come out of this bear market, then I still have skin in the game. So either way, I'm fine with it. But be prepared, folks. This is going to be a depressing year. Bear markets suck. Trust me. I got in 2017, 2018, 2019 were very depressing. But it's all worth it for the payoff in the end, which was 2021. Or actually, an end of 2020 and in 2021. But don't believe the hype. Don't listen to the influencers. They will steer you wrong. All right, folks. Take it easy.